Hey everybody, it's in the shop with Tom. How's everybody doing? Today I'm working on the grid work in the ceiling. I put some half-inch foam above the ceiling for this year. Next year we're going to come back with some R30 regular installation, or we're going to do something a little different. Haven't decided yet, but just for this season we're going to put the pink half-inch foam insulation up on the ceiling above the tiles for this year. But the reason I'm talking about is I'm going to give you guys a little hack. And you'll probably say, look at those, man, look at those grids. Now, I've been on jobs where the homeowner has said, hey, man, those grids look like shit. And I'm like, yeah, you're pretty much right. And they want them all torn down. But what we do, and I'll show you, right here, is we'll use the Rust-Oleum gloss white paint. And you're like, okay, Tom, what's the deal with that? Well, let me show you. All right. Bear with my camera work here. Got a couple things. I'm going to show you what we do in these situations. Now you'll see how shitty it is right now. Now I'm going to take the Rust-Oleum gloss white. We spray that right on there, without the sealing in, of course. And boom! Stuff looks like it's golden. You know, we've done this a lot of times. A lot of times we'll take and we'll use, if it's in a homeowner's house, like say they're living in there, then what we'll do is we'll come in with the Rust-Oleum in a can with a foam brush, or a foam roller, excuse me, and we'll roll all the grids. We'll roll all the grids. But man, I'm telling you, night and day. You know, we have a couple just putting the paint on. It doesn't have to be something. This particular application doesn't have to be crazy. It's just in the new shop. So this is just a quick hitter video using the Rust-Oleum 2x ultra color paint and primer. It's all in one. It's white, it's gloss. Just, you know, like you said, you had those tracks. They're dirty. They're kind of shitty. What I would do is basically take all the tiles down and get rid of them or clean them if they're vinyl or something of that nature. And then what you want to do is you want to get some sort of Rust-Oleum paint, either the spray or the can with the roller. Roll it out, roll all the grid work, let it dry for a day or two, then come back and put your ceiling tiles back in. Now, I've also been on jobs. I don't know if I can see with the light. It's hard. You'll see how the new tile is white, and the ceiling is like a grid work is pretty shitty. I've also been on jobs where everything is shitty. What they'll do is, actually we've done it too. We've come in with the spray gun, load it up with some paint, and we'll paint the whole ceiling white or black or tan or whatever they want. You know, and that really it kind of cleans up the application. You know, because, I mean, honestly, the ceiling gets a lot of crap on it. This particular ceiling, actually, years ago, this used to be an ice cream stand. Way back. I mean, way, way back. So, once we get the ceiling all the grid painted, I'll start putting all the blocks in. We'll finish the lights up. And we'll be checking back in with you. So, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share them with your friends. Appreciate you guys. Be safe.